Gonna do a review on the 27-inch 8-drawer Husky tool chest. So far it's holding up pretty good. Lid opens good on the top. Stays up good, doesn't fall or nothing. Drawers pull out pretty smoothly. They seem pretty solid. Go back in good. All the drawers are pretty solid. Work good. The bottom drawer is the deeper drawer. It's probably 4 inches deep. Deep enough that you can stand your sockets up in it on the socket rack. But it's holding up pretty good. I like it so far. Seems pretty solid. These small handles on the side so you can pack it and move it. But for what I paid for it, it's decent tool chest. 50 bucks, I mean, it's a pretty good deal for what it is, for all I need it for. I'm eventually gonna get a bigger tool chest. But I like it, I recommend it if you're just looking for a small toolbox.